Hey, welcome to my YouTube video. Good news, I'm back, and today I'm gonna be doing a tips and tricks video on how to get easy wins on Fortnite and get better at the game. Make sure you like and subscribe, and I'll see you. Make sure you enter to my giveaway, a $10 gift card giveaway, and peace. I'll see you guys in a video. So the first thing you should do is you should always go to unpopulated places. You shouldn't really go to that populated places unless you are trying to max out on kills or do anything like that. So today I'm gonna be just drop motel, haunted, snobby, those type of places, and try to get those that you can do. So the first thing you do as you're gliding down, you want to look for the low spots. You want to look for people in the air, see how much people you're gonna have with you, and then just always try to land at a gun. Don't rely on chest, cause you can get a sniper into something. Just try to land at guns. That dude kind of stole my gun. There's not a single gun here, so I'm just gonna run to this house up here. Always, if you don't have a gun, don't try to fight people with a pickaxe unless you kind of have to. Try to run away to another location, so you can get more guns, get health, get all of that. So I'm just gonna come over to this game over here. I would recommend you use Texas shotguns, not pumps, because Tax are semi-auto and they shoot fast and the damage are kind of close. So yeah, I see this new building over here. Don't try to engage, because if you see multiple people in the air, just kind of wait from the battle. It's a tactic called cleanup, and it's very effective. Kill people, yeah, they're battling right now, so just push up, pay attention to the kill feed, and listen to the gunshots, see if they died. You see? Just wait from the battle, then boom, get your kill. Boom, do a little shaky on them. Do a little shaky on them. So yeah. And also another good tip is building. As you get better, you're gonna see that building is like the key to Fortnite. Go to your settings. Adjust your stuff you want to play on. There's a lot of building modes, so you can just put on what you feel comfortable with, and then just do all of that. And then also, you cannot be running around no health. If you are, you shouldn't engage in any battles. You should just camp it out until you find some shields, some health. You see, you should always look for shields. You see, as you see now, I'm breaking mats and looking for shields, because mats is also important. I found a big shield. So what you wanna wait to see if you can find some minis, and then if you see that you're not gonna find any minis, just go ahead and pop that big shield, because you don't know when anybody can run up on you. So, and then that's also a tip. Thank you for watching my video. There's a link in the description if you want to play Fortnite. And also make sure you subscribe to my channel. Make sure you drop a like. And I gotta say something. I'm back to you.